In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery in a Jeep Patriot located in the engine compartment. Two tabs here. We're going to turn them quarter turn to the left. And then we can lift this up and pull that out. With a 10mm socket or wrench, you want to take the negative terminal and loosen up that bolt. Once you feel that terminal start to wiggle, it should be loose enough. You can lift that up, pull that, set it aside. Let's do the same to the positive 10mm socket or wrench. As that gets loose enough, pull it up, set it aside. The hold down for this battery is right in the front, way down here. Now with a 13mm socket and an extension, we're going to go down there and loosen up that bolt to that hold down. Reach down there, grab up the plastic little hold down and the bolt. That's what they look like. Then grab the battery, lift it up. To install the battery, just reverse procedure. Put your battery in. Obviously making sure that your terminals are facing the correct side. And then we can put the hold down in. Take your hold down with the bolt in it, bring it down, line it up. And that plastic square or rectangle wedge will fit right in spot. And it wedges that battery down on that little lip on the end of the battery. I'm going to start the bolt by hand. Take my 13mm socket with extension and tighten it up. Once it bottoms out, just give it a quarter turn. Now before we assemble our battery, and we're going to clean our terminals. So with a brush cleaner, we're going to clean both battery terminals. That's the positive side, and then the negative side. You're going to take the positive terminal from the cables. You're going to make a nice clean connection. You want to get all that surface corrosion off of there so it makes a good contact. Now when you take a positive terminal, or any terminal shall I say, make sure that's aside. So when you remove a battery and replace it, negative comes off first, positive second, then returning and replacing the battery, positive goes on first and negative last. Make sure that terminal's all the way down, the post sticks up the top. Take your 10mm wrench or socket and start snugging down. Try not to put any pressure on the lead post of the battery. So once it starts to get snug and you feel that happening, put your hand on the terminal, the cable, and hold it down so it balances it out. You don't want to break the lead stud on that plastic. Now let's clean the negative side. Place that down, all the way down. Make sure the terminal top is showing like that. 10mm wrench or socket and snug it down. Same thing, it's starting to bottom out, so I'm going to put some pressure on that cable like that and bring it down. Now you're ready to go. We'll put the air breather inlet in, bring that down, put it in the air filter housing, line up those plastic keyways. Now you're going to do a quarter turn clockwise. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.